So, what if I told you there's a secret way to create professional AI videos? Completely free and unlimited? Yes, you heard that right. No watermarks, no complex software, and no hidden paywalls. These are tools that you can use right now to generate stunning videos from text or images, without spending a single dollar. Hi, I'm from Techie Dialogue, and welcome back to the channel, where we explore the latest and greatest in tech, AI, and digital creativity. In today's video, we're going to reveal 4 free and unlimited AI video generators that actually work. Some of these let you generate unlimited videos, while others give very generous free access, making it easy to create professional content without breaking the bank. So, if you're ready to level up your AI video game and start creating cinematic content for free, stick around. You don't want to miss this. Tool number 4 is Digen AI. This tool is interesting because it allows you to create AI videos using both text-to-video and image-to-video features. It works directly in your browser and also has a mobile version, so you can use it on almost any device. The best part is that it gives free credits which refresh regularly, making it useful for beginners who want to test AI video creation without spending money. Step 1. Create your account. First, go to Google and search for Digen AI. Open the official website and wait for the homepage to load. When you enter the platform, you will see example templates and videos created by other users. You can quickly preview these to understand the kind of quality this AI can produce. Before generating videos, you need to create your account. Simply sign up using your email or Google account and log in. After logging in, you will be taken to the main dashboard. At first, your credits may appear empty. Just refresh or complete the verification step and the free credits will appear. Usually, new users receive free credits which can also refresh with daily usage. Once your credits appear, you are ready to start creating videos. Step 2. Generate a text-to-video. Now click on the text-to-video option to open the video generator. You will see a prompt box where you need to describe the video you want. You can paste a prepared prompt or just type a simple description of your scene. The more clear your description is, the better the result will be. Next, select the basic settings like aspect ratio and duration. If you are new, you can just leave everything on default settings. Now click Generate and let the AI process your request. This usually takes a short time depending on how complex your prompt is. Step 3. Preview and download. Once the video is ready, you will see a preview. Watch it carefully to see how the AI interpreted your prompt. The animation quality usually looks very clean and professional. If you like the result, just click download and save it to your device. Step 4. Try image to video. You can also animate your own images. Just switch to the image to video option and upload your image. Wait a few seconds for the upload to finish. Now add a simple animation instruction describing what movement you want. After that, click Generate and wait for the AI to process it. After processing, your animated version will appear. You can preview it and download it if you like the result. Overall, this tool is especially good for animation-style videos and beginner creators. Compared to the other tools in this list, I would rate Digen AI 7 out of 10. Now let's move to the next tool. Tool number 3 is Quen AI. Quen is a browser-based AI generator that allows you to create both images and videos without even creating an account. What makes it stand out is its separated prompting system, where you can control subject motion and camera movement independently. This is something most free generators do not offer. It's especially useful for cinematic object shots, fantasy visuals, and product-style animations. Step 1. After opening Quen in your browser, look at the top navigation bar and click on the option labeled Text to Image. This will open the image generation workspace where you can enter your prompt. In the prompt box, type the following: cinematic scene of a futuristic astronaut standing on a neon-lit alien planet, glowing plants surrounding the landscape, colorful galaxy sky, ultra-detailed realistic lighting. Before clicking Generate, scroll down to the model selection area. Make sure you select the free quality model, since the Pro and Max models require a paid upgrade. Next, set your aspect ratio to 16.9, so the final result is optimized for video animation. Once everything is set, click the Generate button and wait for the image to render. Step 2. After your image finishes generating, Download it to your device. Then move to the Image to Video section inside Veer. Click on Upload and select the astronaut image you just created. Once the image loads into the animation workspace, you'll see two separate prompt fields. In the Action prompt box, type, "The astronaut slowly raises one hand as holographic interface screens appear around them, glowing softly." Then move to the Camera prompt box and type, "Slow cinematic orbit around the astronaut with a slight upward tilt. Dramatic depth of field." After entering both prompts, keep the remaining settings on their default free options and click Generate to create the animated clip. Step 3. To test how Veer handles human animation, upload a portrait-style image of a person into the same image-to-video workspace. In the Action prompt field, type, "The man gently smiles and adjusts his glasses while a soft breeze moves his hair." In the Camera prompt field, type, "Slow push in toward his face with natural handheld camera motion." Click Generate to produce the final animation. You'll notice the body movement works well, although small facial details may slightly morph during motion, which is common for free AI video tools. Tool number 2 is Quen AI. Now this one is seriously powerful. It allows you to generate Ultra HD videos completely free. And yes, no watermark. Step 1. Open your browser and search for Quen AI. Click on the first result, and once the page loads, you'll land on a clean homepage with a simple layout. From here, click on Sign Up. Step 2. You'll be asked to log in. You can use your email and password, or just continue with Google to make things faster. The login process only takes a few seconds. And once you're in, everything unlocks instantly. You'll notice the interface is super clean and simple. But don't let that fool you. This tool is packed with features like image editing, research tools, and AI generation. Step 3. Click on the plus icon and select Create Video. This will open up the main editor where you control everything. This is where you actually create your videos from scratch. Now, step 4, you can either paste a text prompt or upload an image depending on what you want to create. Right below that, you'll also see orientation options. Make sure you set it to 16:9 if you're creating content for YouTube so your video fits perfectly. Let's start with image to video. Step 5. Click the plus icon to upload your image. Choose any photo you like. And once it's uploaded, add a short prompt describing how you want the scene to move. This helps the AI understand your vision and generate better results. Now click Generate and give it a few seconds to process. And there it is. Your image has been transformed into a cinematic video. The quality is sharp, realistic, and honestly, really impressive. Now let's move to the final step, text to video. Step 6. Paste your prompt into the text box. Even a simple sentence works fine. Then click Generate. And within seconds, the AI creates a fully animated video based on your idea. Sometimes even adding natural motion and background sound automatically. And the best part, no watermark at all. Now the final tool, One.video. This one stands out for a very specific reason: unlimited video generation. Step 1. Open the One.video platform in your browser and log into your account. Once you're inside, you'll land on the main dashboard where you can see previously generated videos and available features. From here, click on the Generate button to start creating. Step 2. Now you'll see multiple creation options. You can choose between text to video, image to video, or even avatar creation depending on what you need. Each option is designed for different types of content, so pick the one that fits your project. Step 3. Before generating, take a moment to adjust your settings. You can choose your resolution, like 720p or 1080p. Select the orientation for YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram, and even set the duration of your video depending on how long you want it to be. Step 4. You'll also notice an option to use credits. If you turn it on, your videos will generate faster using priority processing. But if you turn it off, you can generate videos completely free and unlimited. It just takes a little more time. Step 5. Now upload your image. Or paste your prompt into the text box. Try to describe your scene clearly so the AI understands what you want. Once everything looks good, click Generate. In less than a minute, your video is ready. The results look great, smooth motion, solid quality, and in many cases, even built-in sound effects that make the video feel more alive. Now just keep in mind, free downloads may include a watermark, but the unlimited generation feature is what really makes this tool stand out. And there you have it. 4 amazing AI video generators that are completely free and unlimited. Whether you're just starting out or looking to level up your content, these tools make it easy to create professional quality videos without paying a single dollar. Remember, each of these tools has its own unique strengths. Some are perfect for animation, others for cinematic storytelling, and all of them are beginner-friendly. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe to Techie Dialogue so you don't miss any of our future AI tips and tutorials. Also, check out the other videos on our channel. We've got more guides, AI tools, and creative tips to help you take your projects to the next level. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.